Ever wondered what it takes to build the heart of your car? That powerful, intricate piece of machinery we call the engine. It's not just a lump of metal. It's a symphony of hundreds of precision-engineered parts working in perfect harmony. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of engine assembly, from a bare block to a roaring beast. Let's get started. The journey begins with the engine block, the very foundation. In a modern factory, these blocks, often made of aluminum or cast iron, arrive at the start of the assembly line. The first step is critical. Cleaning. High-pressure jets spray the block, ensuring it's completely free of any metal shavings or debris from the casting process. After cleaning, automated machines meticulously inspect every surface, using lasers and cameras to check for even the tiniest imperfection. Quality control is everything here. Next up is the crankshaft. This heavy, twisted bar is responsible for converting the up and down motion of the pistons into the rotational force that turns the wheels. Robots carefully lower the crankshaft into the block, where it rests on a series of pre-lubricated bearings. This has to be a perfect fit. Technicians then bolt down the main bearing caps, torquing each bolt to a precise specification. Too loose, and it'll fail. Too tight, and it could cause damage. It's a delicate balance. Now for the real action. Installing the pistons and connecting rods. This is often a combination of robotic precision and human touch. An assembly worker will typically prepare the piston assembly first, fitting the piston rings into their grooves. These rings are vital for creating a seal against the cylinder wall, ensuring combustion gases push the piston down and don't leak past it. Each piston is then attached to its connecting rod. A specialized machine might then guide this whole assembly into the cylinder, which has been coated with a thin layer of oil to prevent scuffing. Once all the pistons are in place, the engine is flipped upside down. It's time to install the oil pan. This might seem simple, but it's crucial for holding the engine's lifeblood. The oil. A robot applies a precise bead of sealant around the edge before the pan is bolted on. Inside, the oil pump pickup tube is installed, ready to suck up oil and circulate it throughout the engine as soon as it starts. With the bottom end complete, the engine is flipped right side up again. Now it's time for the cylinder head, or heads if it's a V engine. This is a complex component that houses the valves, camshafts, and spark plugs. Like the block, the head is meticulously cleaned and inspected before installation. A head gasket, a multi-layered seal, is placed on the block first. This is one of the most critical seals in the entire engine, keeping the high-pressure combustion separate from the oil and coolant passage. The head is carefully lowered onto the block, and a series of head bolts are tightened in a specific sequence and to a precise torque setting to ensure the gasket seals evenly. Next, we connect the timing components. This could be a timing belt or a timing chain. This system is the conductor of the engine's orchestra, ensuring the camshafts open and close the valves at the exact right moment in relation to the piston's movement. Getting the timing wrong, even by a single tooth on a gear, can lead to catastrophic engine failure. So this step is done with extreme care. Finally, all the accessories are bolted on. The water pump for the cooling system, the alternator to generate electricity, the intake and exhaust manifolds, the fuel injectors, and all the wiring harnesses. It's like a complex 3D puzzle where every piece has its place. Each connection is checked and double-checked. At the very end, the engine is filled with oil and coolant for the first time. It's then moved to a testing station, where it's fired up, run through a series of tests to check for leaks, power output, and smooth operation. Only after passing every single test is it finally ready to be installed into a brand new car. And there you have it. From a bare block to a fully functional, power-packed engine. The process is a beautiful blend of robotic automation and skilled human craftsmanship. It's a testament to over a century of engineering innovation. Hope you found that as cool as I do. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how things work. Thanks for watching.